So grief and loss is a very sensitive subject due to the fact that there has been so much information on how people react with grief, the 7 stages of grief. You have it a lot in movies, and it creates quite a strong vibe to it. And it can cover things from loss of a job, loss of a loved one, loss of a pet, children leaving home, natural disasters taking things away, okay? They can create vibes of grief and loss. But that is actually a trained mental behavior that we learn. And the brain actually can wrap it around just like it does eventually for everyone. But it takes a long process, and we've been taught that it could, an unknown, actually, you can actually do it way in a more productive way than many people realize. And so if you're dealing with grief and loss in any form, it is actually something that can be accepted, felt, and released in a productive way so that your brain is still sending you motivating messages about your life. Instead of getting stuck and thinking the loss of this just makes everything not worth it, not of any value. So if you are in a place where you're thinking, hey, that sounds good, I like to be like that, if something, since I'm in that place or something could happen like that, then you'll want to watch my videos. There is a grief and loss interactive PDF guide, and there is also a grief and loss follow along videos that you can do that will help you to see how you can get your brain not stuck in grief, okay? So that you're not being productive for yourself or for your loved ones, but to be able to see what it is that you can do to keep the rest of what is going on in your life on track, even though you're dealing with a grief and loss that may have occurred.